Most people think wealth has a uniform, a luxury car, a designer watch, a giant house in an expensive neighborhood. We've been taught that rich people look rich. But what if the opposite is often true? What if many people who appear wealthy are actually trapped by debt, while some of the wealthiest people around you intentionally avoid looking rich? The richest person in your neighborhood may drive an ordinary car, wear simple clothes, and live a surprisingly modest life. Because real wealth and the appearance of wealth are very different things. Modern society turned spending into a status signal. We don't just buy products anymore, we buy approval. We buy identity. We buy the feeling of success. A luxury car doesn't only say, "I need transportation." It says, "I've made it." The problem is that these signals are expensive, and many people finance them with money they don't actually have. This creates a dangerous cycle called lifestyle inflation. As income rises, spending rises with it. A bigger salary leads to a bigger house. The bigger house leads to a nicer car. The nicer car leads to more expensive habits. Eventually, earning more money doesn't make you richer. It only makes your lifestyle more expensive. This is where many people get stuck, because lifestyle inflation disguises itself as success. Now imagine two people earning exactly the same salary. The first spends heavily to maintain appearances. The second lives below their means and invests the difference. 10 years later, one is still working to support their lifestyle. The other is approaching financial freedom. From the outside, the first person looked richer. In reality, the second person became richer. This is the difference between looking wealthy and being wealthy. The appearance of wealth is visible. Real wealth is invisible. You can see a sports car. You cannot see an investment portfolio. You can see designer clothes. You cannot see decades of compound growth quietly working in the background. This is why wealth often hides in plain sight, because the assets that create freedom rarely attract attention. Social media makes this problem even worse. Every day we compare ourselves to carefully edited lifestyles, luxury vacations, expensive restaurants, designer brands. What we don't see are the loans, the stress, and the financial insecurity behind many of those images. Comparison creates pressure. Pressure creates spending. Spending delays wealth. Meanwhile, wealthy people often play a completely different game. Instead of asking, "Can I afford the payment?" they ask, "What is the opportunity cost?" Every dollar spent today is a dollar that cannot grow tomorrow. This doesn't mean wealthy people never enjoy their money. The difference is intention. They buy things because they value them, not because they need strangers to notice them. There is a huge difference between enjoying luxury and performing luxury. One creates happiness. The other creates dependence. This idea is known as stealth wealth, choosing financial strength over financial display, choosing freedom over attention, because the greatest luxury isn't a logo. It's control over your time, the ability to leave a bad job, help your family, take opportunities without fear, and design your own future. The truth is simple. Looking rich and becoming rich require very different behaviors. One buys attention, the other buys freedom. One creates admiration, the other creates options. And in the end, options are the most valuable asset of all, because real wealth doesn't need an audience.